Hi everyone, every tip I'm going to give here has been tested by professionals in the shop where I'm at, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If you suddenly see the message auto start stop manual restart required on your Ford, don't panic. The car is basically saying, hey, the system that automatically turns the engine off and on can't do it right now, so you need to restart it manually. It's like the car is being protective and asking for your help. The first and most common cause, according to mechanics, is the 12-volt battery, even if your car starts and everything seems normal. If the battery is weak, the auto start-stop system doesn't trust that it can restart the engine on its own, so it shows this message. Replacing the battery or performing a full health test usually fixes the problem in many cases. But it's not always just the battery. Some mechanics say that the alternator or electrical sensors can send unstable signals to the system, causing start-stop to deactivate automatically. In these cases, checking that the alternator is delivering the correct voltage and that the sensors are clean and functioning helps the system return to normal. There are also situations where the message appears after maintenance or battery replacement because the system hasn't fully recalibrated yet. Some mechanics recommend resetting the system or updating the vehicle software so it correctly recognizes the new battery or recent changes. On the other hand, although less common, some owners have seen that other minor issues, like EVAP system faults or minor error codes, can prevent start-stop from working automatically. Even something as simple as overfilling the gas tank can temporarily trigger this message until everything returns to normal.